how Mr. Smartass likes it.
You ready?
Right. Are you ready, Lil Chuck?
I'm ready, dude. Okay. Oh shit, I can't. What the hell was that? Okay, is this how Chuck do it? Alright, you ready?
Chuck, I'm sorry we fucking up your commercial, dog.
Alright. Is proportion right?
Are you?
Is this right?
Yeah.
And one with and two. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
I feel it, dog.
Feel the rhythm.
I like this machine, dude.
Feel the rhyme.
And if you put the weight on that, stop.
Damn, my weight is much.
Now you're lifting your own weight.
You look close up with a bit. God, I'm so sorry.
Alright, let me stop playing. Yeah.
Have you stopped now?
And 12, baby.
So how does it feel?
It's great. And up. And down. Release. And up. Is that a rainbow?
I don't see one.
Can I go back up? The world may never know. Oh, he does it. Okay. Mother. Grandma.
Let me switch up and try some new ones.
This is for you. Whoever. Yeah, dog, I like this though. This is tight. I feel the burn like in my neck.
I think that's because someone set a small. I think that's because someone set a small fire by your foot.
Okay. In my shoulders. In my hands.
And in his pride.
Okay.